Hi, this is BizRap and this is Anupam Sharma. Well, today I am going to talk about MTAR IPO, which is opening on 3rd March and it is open till 5th March. So, this is a precision engineering company, and as we all know that the thrust of the government is also on engineering. As I said, so far the IPOs which have come up in this year have been focusing or in line with the budget. Okay, so this is how I see these IPOs. So this is a precision engineering company. Precision engineering company means a company which helps putting big engineering products together. It's like making small parts, which help big machinery to put together. It's just in a layman's word. Otherwise, the company does a lot of, minute kind of work. And, these small parts, with precision engineering, which are very precise, but which connect big parts. So this is that kind of a engineering company. Okay. So like there is heavy engineering company, then there is light engineering company, and there is precision engineering company. So small parts which fit in machines to make them work. Okay, so this is a company which was incorporated as a company in 1999, though the company began in 1970s, but as a company it was incorporated in 1999. Okay, so it has been around for some time. And also the company is primarily engaged in manufacturing of mission critical precision components. So as you can understand that, we know that all these Mars missions are happening, all ISRO is putting satellites not only for other countries. Okay, so you can understand it is that kind of company. Okay, so since its inception, MTAR has expanded its product portfolio. Okay, and now it also assembles the liquid propulsion engines to GSLV Mark III. Okay, base shroud assembly and airframes for Agni programs, actuators for LCA, power units for fuel cells, fuel machining head. So as you can understand that the clients are ISRO, NPCIL, DRDO, Rafael, Bloom Energy. So you can understand that how important is this company and what important part it makes. Okay, and as you know that government is now investing in indigenous defense products like Tejas. Okay, so you can imagine that the focus of the government in the process of making everything Atmanirbhar is towards encouraging indigenous companies for defense production also. So this company would be getting more orders and definitely would be having more, because more and more Tejas would now be produced also. The order of the government is there. Now let's talk about what are the strengths of the company. It has a wide range of product portfolio. It has 7 technology manufacturing units in Telangana. It has a good financial track record, has a experience and qualified management. Okay, if we look at the company's financials, its assets have grown. Okay, so the IPO, so it's a good company. It's a stable company. The forecast is good for the company. More and more as the country undertakes more and more indigenous defense projects. So from that angle, it is going to grow. And of course, precision engineering, not only defense, but other manufacturing units will also require, because now the government is also focusing to make India a manufacturing hub. Okay, so this is a good IPO. The IPO opens on 3rd March. It closes on 5th March. Per equity price is 574 rupees to 575 rupees per equity share. For a retail investor, you can apply for up to 13 lots. One lot has 26 shares and 13 lots around 338 shares. Yeah. Okay, so one lot would be around 14,950 rupees, and 13 lots would be around 1,94,350 rupees. Okay, in one go. And as I repeatedly say that IPOs are coming up for the companies which did not had listings in on the BSE are now coming up with IPOs because it has good clients, it has the government focus, and definitely the company itself is doing well. So this is Anupam Sharma wrapping up this video of BizWrap. And do share, subscribe, like my videos, and you can leave a comment below in the comment box. And I would be coming up with my take on power stocks, which I promised. I was supposed to make that video, but then this IPO, I had to talk about this IPO. And do give me your feedback, what you want me to talk about. If you want me to answer a question, do leave your comment below. So this is a bye-bye from me, and take care.